Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Priyanka Tile Math Classes. Today we will do chapter 8 trigonometric function. We know that value of trigonometric function sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is equal to 1. Similarly, values of cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 90 is equal to 0. You can also find these values by making the table. You can also find out values of trigonometric function from that table. If you can't make table, then you can learn values of these main values trigonometric function like as sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant. We have total 6 trigonometric function. Out of 2 function values, these were this. Sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे मैंने आपको ये वैल्यूज बताई हैं, जैसे साइन और कॉस की वैल्यूज होती हैं, सिमिलरली आप जैसे मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ कि वैसे ही आप टेबल के द्वारा इसकी वैल्यूज फाइंड कर सकते हो. अगर आपको टेबल नहीं बनाना आता तो डायरेक्टली आप साइन और कॉस की वैल्यूज याद कर लो, फिर आपको नेक्स्ट वाली वैल्यूज आपकी लर्न हो जाएगी. अब जो वैल्यूज है, ये वैल्यूज कहाँ पे यूज होती है? ये मोस्ट प्रोबेबली वैल्यूज है जो मोस्टली सम्स में यूज हो जाती है. और इसके रिगार्डिंग हमारे पास जो सम्स है वो कैसे आ सकते हैं, जैसे जहां पे मैंने लिखा है sin 0 प्लस cos 0 इज इक्वल टू, क्या इसका आंसर आएगा? हमें पेपर में ऐसे क्वेश्चन पुट कर सकते हैं. तो इस क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए? व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 0, व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 0. हियर इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट ऑलवेज साइन विल बी पॉजिटिव. हियर विल बी साइन विल बी नेगेटिव, मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड. एनी वन साइन कैन बी हियर. Now we ask the question that sin 0 plus cos 0 and we know that from the table value of sin 0 is equal to 0. Then we can put value of sin 0 is equal to 0 and value of cos 0. We know that value of cos 0 is equal to 1. Then 0 plus 1 कितना आ गया? 1 आ गया. Now we have second question, sin 30 plus cos 60. First, we should know that what will be the value of sin 30 and value of cos 60. And we know that from the table, sin 30, value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So we can put value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. And what will be the value of cos 60? Cos 60 also value of 1 by 2. Now, we will solve these two terms by take LCM. Also, you can see here that here denominator same. So if we had term that if denominator same, then also here numerator also same. That means here 2 and numerator also will be same. 1 plus 1 2, 2 by 2 मतलब कितना आंसर आ गया हमारे पास? 1 आंसर आ गया. तो आप इसे सिंपली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. जैसे आपके पास कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन पुट कर लिया जाए कि फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ tan 45 plus cot 45 and we know that value of tan 45 is equal to 1 and value of cot 45 is also 1 because we know that tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. You can also this formula in this way that value of cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. We conclude from here that tan and cot theta are opposite to each other. Means if tan theta, then it is equal to 1 by cot theta. If we want to find value of cot theta, then it is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now here we want to find value of cot 45 and we know that what is the tan theta? Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Now here instead of theta, we have value of theta is equal to 45. Now we can put value of theta is equal to 45. You can write here tan 45 is equal to 1 by cot 45. Also we know that value of cot 45 is equal to 1, then 1 by 1, that means 1. So we get value tan 45 is equal to 1. That's why I will put value of tan 45 is equal to 1. Similarly, you can put value of theta is equal to 45. You can find value of cot theta. So we get also value of cot theta is equal to 1. That's why 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So you can solve any one question, tan 45, cot 45, sin cos or sin 30 cos 60. Any one question can be put you that will be value of tan 45 or cot 30 and like as cot 30 plus sin 60. You can also solve this one question cot 0 plus tan 45. Any one question can be asked from you, then you can solve easily from this table, help of this one table. Okay ji, thank you.